Got our second calm day, quiet day in a row. This after an active weekend of weather. Back on Easter Sunday, of course, we had that round of severe weather that came through in the afternoon and early evening, and storm surveys are still being conducted, and a couple more tornadoes discovered out of that batch of severe weather. One in northern Morgan County up near Florence. That was an EF0 with 80-mile-per-hour winds, only on the ground for a third of a mile, 75 yards wide. Another tornado touching down in Wright County. This was near the Hartville area, south of Hartville. Also an EF0 with 80-mile-per-hour winds on the ground for over a mile with a width of 50 yards. That one crossed Highway 5. Of course, the weather's been quiet since Easter Sunday.